Tuk tuk tuk. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. And YouTube and Twitch. Hello. Maca Macarons, hello, how are you? We are doing a horoscope application. As I said, my previous 5 more or less streams. How are you? It's very cold in Spain. He didn't do what I wanted to. I'm fine. How about you? Long time no seen. Yeah, but lately I do quite often streams, I guess. Well, every weekend, and I'm trying to do twice. And actually, I published a lot of applications already on Google Play and also in App Store. And currently, I'm doing a horoscope application, and I want to use my illustrations. But I lost some of my illustrations, so just not to stop my releases, I'm gonna just generate with ChatGPT. Let's see. Now I ask to do a Virgo. Let's see. Yeah, and also I'm polishing right now because all application is already ready. Like you can change here zodiac sign, for example, this. Read about. Now I'm trying to polish the icons, which I like this more. I feel like it's different colors, no? This one and this one, I don't know. I am a Cancer by horoscope. And you? There says so many wrong stuff about cancers. It's of course, like they say that cancers are easily offended, but they say so many not pleasant stuff about cancers that of course cancer is gonna be offended. I'm Taurus. Let's see. You wanna read what we have today for Taurus? Where is it? It's in May, right? Oh. Steady, sensory, practical patient. Ground your day is simple comforts. I don't know what does it mean. Build steadily, momentum's love structure. Document acceptance criteria. Avoid churn, it's for work. Set a gentle boundary. Safety grows, it's for love. And there are some stuff that we have about astrological context, which is it's a first quarter, I believe, for Moon, Sun in Sagittarius, Venus in Sagittarius, Mercury direct in Sagittarius, Mars in Sagittarius. I don't know what this means. But also we can read about personality, which is, I guess your sign is represent the planet Earth, its fixed sign, and it's Venus. I don't know what does it mean. Why say Venus? Maybe it's like opposite planet or something. Kind of true. I guess I know we are a very calm sign. About the stereotypes about Taurus, I know that people say that they like to be cozy. Like they like everything like cozy and warm and comfortable. So this is the description. And right now there is a compatibility that I'm working on. It's maybe I should have like I placed here that it's just like 2 hearts, like it's a love compatibility in a way. And here, for example, Taurus and Capricorn. And I want to make the background blurry right now because it's visually very bad. So the strengths are long-term planning, discipline, financial acumen. I don't know what this means, acumen. But what is not good is work first habit, I believe, for both of zodiac signs, romance neglecting, and risk conservatism. Interesting. All right, let's see if we're gonna run again. Maybe it changed. It is blurring, but it should be get more darker also. So I'm gonna tell him, great. The blur is working, but can you please also make it a bit darker? So meanwhile it's working, I'm gonna do the next icon, which gonna be for Taurus. So I just make a mask, I cut it and make a mask and try to like blur it with a background. But April Taurus and May Taurus have some similarities and some differences by experience, because my dad is April Taurus and I am a May Taurus. I don't know about this. I know that everybody telling me that the Aries, it's not good sign for me, and all my very, very good best friends are Arieses, and also I have a Taurus very, very good friend. If Meo can hear me, I say hi. Most programmers use UV protection glasses because I get headaches. But why aren't you wearing them? Really? I'm not wearing them because I probably don't take enough care of me. I should have. I don't even know where to get it, where I can get those. Like in Optica? That's I'm up to. I can complain for tiredness and headaches. I have heard scorpions are super stubborn. Don't have a lot of scorpions. I used to have friends, scorpions, when I was at school. It was a very long time ago. But eventually, I don't have anyone. I don't know. I think Libras are great, Virgos are great. Just like counting people that I like. All right. I don't know. Maybe there is something exists that like water signs are good with another water signs. I guess it could be true. This is my illustration for Taurus zodiac sign. I don't know why I decided to make her blonde, but I think it looks really cool. And unfortunately, I lost some of my illustrations, which is very, very upsetting. But I managed to get some, like to recover. Wow, it's so cold in Spain. It's unbelievable. All right, so this is ready. You're gonna make a mask for this again. I don't know, Scorpio are cool guys. All I know who are Scorpions are very clever, always interesting to talk to. I just guess now I don't have any Scorpio around me, or maybe I do have, but I have no idea. I don't ask. Just don't ask, and that's why I do this horoscope. Now I'm gonna ask. Okay, let's export this. No, effect. No, I need to export. It's curious, but also it didn't work for me Like, I mean, that I am supposed to be in fight always with Aries, and I'm having best friends. So this is Taurus, right? Where is it? Do I have it? This one. Okay. Replace. Let's see how ChatGPT generated. Wow. It's not my style. Can you make it so it will look more like a hand done, like, I don't know how to say it, like more close to exactly the style of the pictures, like I'm gonna screenshot to him this one. They should have slightly bigger lips, smaller noses, and more marked cheekbones. I don't ask either, usually for fun. Try and remember by months when someone had birthday. It's actually true. You can detect it. It's interesting. All right, let's see if Cursor managed to change something. Where's Android Studio? I had some struggles with how to make the design of my application because I just started to make it quite randomly. And now I sincerely don't know. Like, this is what we have. Someone say that it's neo-brutalism or neo-brutalism. Okay, so compatibility. Maybe I should add a frame to it. Can you please make the blurred area even more darker, like quite dark? I'm gonna say like this. Design reminds me of early my space era. My space era, it was like a first Facebook or something, right? I never used it. Oh no, then it's not good. Okay, so what do we have? Where is it? Let's continue with the next one. This is Cancer. I placed a moon in the clouds of the Cancer zodiac sign. Really proud of it. All right, it was easy. Cancer illustration, save replace. This one is ready or not. Let's launch again to see. Yeah, but I never had it in country where I was from. We had some link. It was like MySpace, Facebook. Was it VK? Is it VK, like Kontakte? Maybe no, we had it in Ukraine. Okay. Okay, it didn't. Okay, let's try to add a border. I'm gonna do because it's not working. Can you add border to the compatibility text pop up with color? I'm gonna give it Where is my... Gonna give this color. All right. No, it was Dragium. Wow, I never heard about this. Interesting. This is not Virgo. How does it represent Virgo? It's hard. You see, like I always struggle with generation of the images. Like this is original. Can you generate the same style? And no, it struggles. Okay, that's what's here. Okay, and we can consider to start a new one. It was Cancer. Now we can do Leo. VK usually used mostly Russian talking people. Yeah, it's true. It's true. And then I don't know if now Ukrainians use Facebook, but I believe majority on Instagram. But it was a moment when all Ukrainians were like moved a lot to Facebook. I believe no one is using this VK anymore. But I have a feeling that Facebook no one uses in general. I don't know. I'm not using Facebook. And I never arrived to be, but maybe Instagram, TikTok, or like. I never heard like a teenager nowadays, and I spoke to some that they would be like, "Oh wow, I read it on Facebook or I found super cool stuff on Facebook." Never heard it. I use Facebook for events and other stuff and find so many good things. Oh, really? That's interesting. I never. It's like it's very hard for me. How to? Why I cannot? Hey, what I have done? I need to move it. Okay. So I need to remove this. Okay. We're ready with this export. And this could be Leo. Where do we have Leo? Leo illustration. Save. Replace. After Leo we have 3 more, but let's see. It's ready. Let's see what we can run. I got the free old Ho camera for project. What would me cost 2,000 euros? You were doing a design or movie making or something like this, like producing. I don't remember, but I sometimes see you also post on Instagram. I guess I follow you and I see some cool stuff there. All right, let me try. Should add a border. It's not getting better, my design here. What can I do? I know. Maybe I can make this pink, right? I just need to find this pink. This color, tick. Oh, sorry. Can you make this color the border like this? ChatGPT. Oh my God! But why? Yes, and now make her eyelashes blue, and make the Virgo sign on her hair. Very nice. This one I like way more. I'm a graphic designer, but lately do as hobby some filming stuff. Okay. Very nice, very nice. I think that once we spoke, and you already told me about the filming stuff. You told me that you were like making some videos or advertisements, something like this. But I don't remember well. Let's see. I need to finish a couple of things in here. Dun dun dun. This is Libra. This is like I wanted to represent that there is something very light and something very heavy. I really like it. This one, it's gonna be, actually I need to make it, how to do it? I need to make it like this. And make it. Nice. So now I need to merge this all shapes, and this is gonna be in front. Oh no, wait, come on, it's in frame. Okay, I did something. No. What am I? Why is it disappearing? Need to make it like use as mask. Still, all right, good. This is nice. And through this stuff, I don't post that much because of school work. And in summer, I was visiting some places and meet people who collect and retro things from cars, wow, cameras, till old audio stuff. I met one Ukrainian woman who was collecting bottles cap of beer making artworks. Wow, that's interesting. Yeah, sometimes I think that I am collecting also bottle, but not from beer, from water. It's when I'm lazy to throw it away. What kind of art she was doing? Okay, this is need to export, and we are making it. This is Libra illustrations. Save, replace. Let's see, ChatGPT did. Okay, I will accept it. I have no choice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need 5 more? Really? What? I lost so many. In any case, all right, then I still can do this. Hey, come on. So I download it. Show me my Finder. Downloads. No? No? Where do we save it? Okay, whatever. Oh, it's lagging, it's lagging. She was making like sculpture. Oh, wow. That's cool. A sculpture of what? I saw very interesting stuff that I never saw in my life. It's when girls in some kind of a market, they were making sculptures of the wax from the candles, but they were pouring wax like inside of the water, and like because it's very like wax never gonna be mixed with water, and it's immediately from the hot temperature got like got into shape, like into frozen, not frozen, but stable shape. And she was like moving and pouring wax inside of the water and making shapes. So it was really cool. This, I think I made a screenshot, so this would be Virgo. It's not working, like, okay, now it is. Let's try to cut this. Very nice. Now I want to regenerate in this style all of the illustrations because they seem to me better than my illustrations. But my illustrations are more vivid and alive, I guess. So I'm making this. Gonna make some kind of pluck and pluck just to cut it out. And like this. To move it up, just one vertex in here. Oops, yes, this. We feel it. Remove. Yep. Come on again. Why is it? Okay. Use as mask. All right, and we are exporting this. Pam 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 pam. She started to talk to me because I had back head. I had because I had back head. I had Ukrainian flags. There was one quote I got as gift for one girl who said, "Thank you, helped them find place where stay." That's amazing. From one girl. Yeah, well, very very good. Well, thank you for helping out. It's amazing. Export, and this would be Virgo illustration. I'm gonna say now to ChatGPT that we are that a Virgo illustration. Can you add now for the Virgo sign description like we have for others signs? And here to ChatGPT we can say actually that I'm gonna say great. Now in exactly the same style, generate another image but with two girls on the image. They are laughing and they represent Gemini zodiac sign. It's put with some mistakes in there, but it's all right. Coder, see a lot of tabs. Coder, or see, you need to see my desktop. Let me show you. This is not even. It's not even a heavy one. It's like a light version of my desktop. Okay, let's see. Did we manage to build? Okay, meanwhile it's building, I can do next. Okay, I wanted to say siguiente. So this was Capricorn. Why is it happening? No? Whatever. Oh my god. Okay. Don't know what I did again. I think like I didn't work a lot on Capricorn. I was like, ma, like whatever. I remember that I was doing Capricorn in Amsterdam. Why is it like in frame? I make ungroup, and where is my Capricorn stuff? Went away. It's weird. How to group selection, convert to selection. Can I do like this? Cannot, no, don't know what to do. Wait a second. You're at beginning, draw yourself and then ask ChatGPT to correction. Sorry, I hope you at. What do you mean? No, you at beginning draw your. You don't sound rude, but I don't understand what you're asking. You at beginning draw. But you mean not myself? No. I'm not. I just. The story is that for my mobile application, I did a series of illustrations of zodiac signs, like those, like this one, and I'm happy with those. I I like them. You don't sound rude because I like them, but I was cleaning my stuff and I lost some of my zodiac signs that I generated with myself. So missing one I'm trying to generate with ChatGPT, just the missing one, and I passed to ChatGPT my images. And I say to ChatGPT, like, look, take an example of. It's actually quite cool that it's doing it. I said, look, this is the style that I want to do. Please make the same, but like other zodiac sign. But that's what I said. That like as ChatGPT started to generate, it's so beautiful that I want now to use all of the ChatGPT images. Like it's crazy, actually, right? But let's see. I also don't want to like remove my work of this. So I don't know. I'm gonna. Why Capricorn? This Capricorn has never worked for me good. So I just gonna make a screenshot of it. Copy paste in here. But why is copy pasted like this? I don't need it. I just go in here. It's just copy pasted as mask. I did something wrong. It's so terrible to understand. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna undo a lot of stuff. Da 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 da. Undoing stuff. Oh no! Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. Redo. So now, if I select this and I select frame, can I make use as mask? Where has it disappeared? No? Don't understand. So terrible. No, no. Got a bit hot with all this stuff that I'm doing here. So now I'm making fill it within. And what is wrong with my frame? Okay, what are you gonna say? Bring to front. It's not working. Okay, what if I'm gonna make a screenshot of this? Just gonna paste it in here. Make it bigger. Locate this one on the top, or okay, it's already on background, but I'm gonna locate it on the top. This one should be smaller. And now I'm gonna a bit more small. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna tick and use as mask. Good. Now I'm gonna launch my Android and go quickly to toilet and be back in 3 seconds. I got back. So let's see how our compatibility is working. Don't like it. I'm gonna say to make a border another. Let's say I'm gonna say to make it with green color. It's just this one. Can you make the compatibility pop up with bolder border and change the color of it to this? All right, so now we're ready to export Capricorn. Where is it? This was one export. I don't like this image, but export should called Capricorn illustration. I'm gonna also say to cursor also now add for Capricorn icon on description for Capricorn image. on description. Screen because icons we have. Screen. Perfect. And let's run again and we can see how is it working. And actually now in here I can, where is it? I don't understand. If I download it, I downloaded, right? This, yeah. Did it even start and download? No? If no, we are doing a screenshot and proceed. That's how I do it. Great. So now when I copy paste, great. Slightly bigger, and we're going to do it also in vector, what is in our Android Studio. Okay, Taurus. Just gonna zoom in a bit. I guess I need to make this background black just to try out. Yeah, so this is a proper design. Let's try to change to, we did a Virgo. Let's try Virgo. Description. Oh, perfect. And we go to here. Green. Green I like more, so it's all right. Make the border of compatibility pop up even more bold and put a drop shadow from the pop-up on the background. Great. And now after that we're back to make our Gemini. Then I would need to realize which one I'm missing, because I guess there are all of them. Scorpio, maybe I'm missing Scorpio, right? Great. Tick up. Use as mask. Export. Export. This would be Gemini, and we're gonna use this one. Save. Add the for image for Gemini. Description. Screen. And ChatGPT, we're gonna tell great. Next, please, Scorpio. And we have, oh no, in here, no, come on, yeah, in here. The last one from me was, I guess it's Sagittarius. So we will do this one. We're gonna do it somewhere in here. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is just icons fixing, just for the visual part of it. Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. Next time I rather would just generate it all stuff with ChatGPT, but I really wanted to use some of my illustrations, so it's a mixed work. But for me, I don't want to follow any strict principle right now, like all of the icons should be generated by me. Well, generated by me, done by me, I mean. So I will just, it will just help me with artificial intelligence if I can. Use as mask, and now export. Export Sagittarius we should have. should be somewhere here. Where is it? This. Replace. And do we have a Scorpio already? Not yet. Let's see what we have here. Let's run on Android Studio and see what do we have. Dun, 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 dun. Everything is running. Probably I need to add push notification reminder, like setting buttons. I can make it. Can you please now add to the settings another button that will be called push notifications, like this. Now we're going to implement push notifications, and then we're going to be more or less ready for preparing everything from the like descriptions, screenshots, and original advertisement, not the fake advertisement that I'm using right now. So let's see, do we have a drop shadow on compatibility screen? Got locked. Yeah, we have a bit of drop shadow. It's all right. It's better than it was, but still I don't like. Can you add even more and more spread and dark shadow from the compatibility description pop up on background? Good. And also ChatGPT. Wow, it's amazing. This is Scorpio. This is a sign of a Scorpio. This is how Scorpio looks. Okay, we gonna screenshot this one also. I don't like that the hair we can see. Great. But can you make her more brown and light? Because it should be visible on a black background that we have. And now there is a drop shadow in here that's supposed to get. And we're gonna go through all of the zodiac signs to see what is done or not. Which icons we are showing, which are not, which ones not. All right. Push notifications. Push notification setting will be available here. All right. Ah, this font should be in settings. Great. Can you now make so once user click on push notifications from the settings, then we open the screen where we can set time and date for the push notification, and once actually it's a set time for daily reminder, something like remind me every day at, and then user can select the time, and after you can, when if it's on, then user should get the notification like what? No, I need to change to Spanish because I can speak only Spanish properly. So like this, zodiac sign selected in the app, comma, your prediction for today. Today is an amazing day. Your prediction for today. Let's see. Do we have? Yeah, it's generating. In here it's working, and in here do we have some? Actually, I asked for compatibility screen to add. It's not more. Maybe I need to try more. I don't know. What do we have in here? It's making push notifications. And I need to check which zodiac signs. I think it was Aquarius, also the one that I need. Oh, this is great. Aquarius sign that I needed to add. This is ready. And I'm gonna say next. Can you please make for Aquarius sign and make the hair light blue and earrings also blue, something like this, because it's going to be Aquarius. I don't even know. Aquarius is about the water. I hope so. So are we ready with push notification? No, we're still doing something with push notifications, but here we ready to see if our drop shadow worked. So I think I need to rename. It's not push notifications, but reminders and compatibility. Nothing changed. But let's change, for example, zodiac sign for Virgo. That's already what we checked, right? Yeah, we checked it. In any case, let's see. I need to create 2 more icons, so I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna very, very quickly gonna do stuff like this, so it's gonna look pretty more or less. Gonna make some beautiful shape. It's a shame that I couldn't find all of my illustrations, but at least some of them. If I would start liking with generated by artificial intelligence images, I will just generate all of them. It's not a problem for me. Is it a scorpion? Is it somehow this hair should represent a Scorpio, right? I hope so. All right. Great. This one we bring into app, use as mask, export, and we are exporting this as PNG, and we're gonna call it Scorpio illustration PNG. Save to cursor. We say hey, add also this for the image of the Scorpio description on screen. I even write with typos, it doesn't matter. All right, we have it. What do we have next? We say to generate Aquarius, but we need to check others icons, how they look like. This one, oh wow, this Aquarius looks amazing. And I guess this would be our last. It's ready. What happened? What? Ah, okay. It's probably something that I need to add in Gradle file. I believe so. I'm pretty much sure about it. I'm sure it's gonna change something in Gradle, like the dependencies for request of push notification. And now we're gonna be back in here. No? All right, didn't work. I'm gonna screenshot this one. Working very fast. Let's see. So this one, it's not like I should not do it. I believe that I could stay properly with just this background as ChatGPT generated, or I could generate a very beautiful icons. It's just only 12 icons that I could generate, but because I want to include kind of my own illustrations inside, even though that I definitely like this illustration more, so I will just do this extra job, which is not necessarily requiring a lot of effort, but still. I need the mask. It's gonna be Aquarius. Export, bloom, and we're gonna call it Aquarius. Save. Can you add this as an image for Aquarius description screen? Ready. Let's try to run our application. Do we need anything else? Let's see. And yeah, I guess we don't need any other image of zodiac sign. So now the application is running very good. Maybe now I want to change the icon, but I don't know. Okay, so Virgo, it's working very, very good. We changed this icon of, let's see, Gemini. Oh, Gemini. Are we gonna crash now or what? No, it's all right. It's not fitting perfectly. I will keep it like this. It's all right. It looks good. Then let's see that we have Capricorn. Maybe I should make it smaller slightly, I guess. Where is Capricorn? All right. And let's see, we have Scorpio. I think it's all right. Now, Cancer. Is it proper or not? Yeah, probably I need to change this all to black, just to black, so it's gonna look better. All right, let's see. Okay, what if I'm gonna go now in my app for push notifications? Remind me every day at we're crushing. We are crushing. Where is it? Where is it? We don't need it. Oh, This is it. This is what. Because we didn't give a permission. Probably because we need to request them. And we didn't. I'm sure that this is the dependencies that we would need to get in here. Now this is our versions. No, I wanted this. I'm checking what it changed. Schedule exact alarm, security exception. Pa, 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 pa. Maybe I need to make a toggle on by default, actually. Now I'm thinking. So, all right, let's run. Have I already told to add Aquarius? Well, I'm gonna check now. I'm gonna switch to Aquarius zodiac sign. We will see. We're gonna crash or not. Push notifications. It's on by default. Toop, 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 toop. So like it's quite ugly. Oh, so ugly, so ugly, so ugly. I have more stuff that I can work on, right now. Okay, so we are 21 on my phone. It's 9:02, so 9. Are we 9 already? Oh my god, how is it? How does this happen? So 9:03, or yeah, okay, good. Cleans up. No, I didn't want to go to YouTube. I just wanted, I'm supposed to get the push notification already. No, I don't have it. So it's in here. And it should arrive. My push notification should. But I never was asked by permission. That's what I don't like. We don't have any permission. I should have been asked for permission. Nine, 0, 4. Good. Let's see. Should arrive. But something that I don't like there. That's probably something I need to change. It's not arriving. I can clearly see it. I'm gonna hint. Hey, I set up the push notification and it's not arriving, and I think this is due to the fact that we are not asking a user for push notification on the first install. Let's see, what do we have more? Meanwhile, I can check actually, well, I obviously didn't get any push notification, but I can check if Aquarius worked, which zodiac sign we forgot to include into my icons collection that I really don't know. Aquarius. It's very cool. I really like it. It's very nice. So kind of like my illustrations now look very sad. Like other zodiac signs like that I generated with ChatGPT are like so like beautiful and bright, and my illustrations are not that good. Okay, change zodiac sign. We're gonna go to Pisces. No, mine also are quite beautiful. I really like it also. So not gonna punish my illustrations that I did. So now I need to change. It's lagging a bit. Capricorn we saw, Sagittarius we saw, Scorpio we saw, Libra. All right. Virgo, Leo, Cancer, Gemini, Taurus, Aries. It's quite good. Gemini is one of really happy, cool images. Maybe should be a little bit smaller. Maybe I need to fix it. But let's say if it's gonna be fixed of our push notification in here, and I need to, can you, there's a what? Oh. Can you please make an image of the Gemini description screen a bit smaller, just a bit. Let's see. So install successful. Now we're going to go to push notification, select time, going to be 9, 6, 7, 8. And it's going to be 5 hours later. Okay. Just minimized it. Let's see. It's not going to come because I never got the pop-up for native push notifications. So where is it? We need to wait 1 minute. Where is my push notification? It's not here, but it should be there. Maybe I'm gonna try to do another stuff. Maybe I need to uninstall, like, because I'm installing on the top. Okay. Run. We're working on Gemini. Let's see Gemini if it was fixed. Oh, hello. Oof. I liked it how it was before, I guess. And we need to go again to push notifications. But the problem is that push notification, we never get the pop-up for it. So I need to trigger it somehow. No? Remind. Oh, now yes. It was, I should have reinstalled the app. So send you notification. Hello. Select time. It's going to be 9, 11. Okay. Back. Tuck. Kill the app. Let's wait 1 minute. Now it should work. Now it should work very, very good. I knew that this is the problem. Just 1 minute. Where is my push notification? Now I don't like an icon. I can, meanwhile I'm waiting this minute, I really like. Now, can you in the same style generate a girl who is watching stars through telescope and make this image a square. It's kind of like got on a hook of generating images with ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is doing it so beautiful. All right, so now we have it. It's already 11. Did I get it? I didn't get it. No? Probably now, if I'm gonna say that I don't not get in my... Where is my scroll? If now I'm gonna tell that I'm not getting push notification, we're gonna start placing logs. Trying to understand what's going on. It's not, it should be not 9/11, probably. It should be 21/13. Nice. One more time. Typical. Okay. What do we have? Is ChatGPT. So I just can play around with this just to see if I will be able to use this image as icon, because I don't know if I like the current icon. If I also look on the phone, is it like clickable? It's like, do you want to click it? Like, is it attractive for clicking in a way? Let's see. 13. It's already 13. Where is my push notification? It's not here. It's not. The first fragment. What's first fragment? So I'm just describing to it what I don't like, and we will see what we can do. No, it's not good. Or good, I don't know. We can make something like zoomed in. We can make something like this, probably. Right? Mm-hmm. Icon, horoscope. Okay, use PNG. So now we can move it in here. Yeah, we can try to make this one as an icon. Maybe it's not good, or maybe I should use something like this, or bigger. I don't know. No, maybe like this is good, or vice versa, smaller. Not sure. Let's see what this cursor is doing. just say to Chat GPT, to Cursor, to make with exact alarm. As I feel like we did it wrongly. After I can see if I want to change the icon or not. Where is it? It looks like this, which is not very good. I can try to change it. Before I'm gonna try one more stuff. Can you generate her from the view from the front? Like this. I forgot to commit actually. Maybe now I'm gonna spoil some stuff. We need to commit all the stuff right now. Let's see. Push notifications. $21. 19. Okay. Back. Actually, in such case, even if I'm in the app, it should be still giving me the push notification. But I'm just removing myself out to be able to test navigation. But let's see 1 minute again. This is the longest minute ever. Online testing push notifications that are not arriving. I did it so many times already, like, and now it's not working, which is very bad. Good, we uninstalled. All right, let's try again. Like this time more. Okay, any zodiac sign we can choose. We can go again to settings, push notifications. I allow. I'm selecting time. Should be 21. 21. Go back. Gonna kill the app and gonna wait 1 more minute again. My ChatGPT got stuck. Oops. Where is this? This one is a icon that I liked in style. Oh, my computer got lagged. So no push notification. Like what is going on? I'm gonna now directly ask Cursor to check Gradle. Anyway. I actually missed. So keep Lagat 1222 and 404 Soul FM. Thank you so much for follow. And Cursor has been getting in my nerves lately. Swiss HD. Hello. I was fighting with Cursor that I even didn't notice this. Why? What happened with you and Cursor? I only once in my life got angry with Cursor, and still polite and like, please, I would be happy if you could do this and that, and please, please. All right. Let me see. I don't know why sometimes my screen is jumping up. Like right now, you could probably see. So I'm gonna move it back. Okay. All right. I am back, and let's see. It's not arriving. All right. So push notification is not arriving. Can you check Gradle if all good and find the problem why it's not arriving? Let's see. Generating something. It's kind of like all right, but it's not the same style. Why ChatGPT cannot change the approach, or vice versa? Why it's changing the approach all the time? Hi, how's the apples today? Very, very good. I am finalizing, polishing my application. And of course, randomly, I decided in the end, like, why wouldn't I add push notification stuff to my application? But now push notifications are not working. So from this, ChatGPT decided to generate something that starts with horns, red head. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So what is we having here? Here is what I found and what I change. Gradle is fine. Up horoscope alarm reminder. Allow exact alarm is on. Okay, we can check it in the app. Go to settings, push notification, toggle reminder off, then on notifications. We're gonna do it. We're gonna check it. Where is it? Let's run. Let's uninstall and run from 0. Right? And your ear, my ear is good. What happened? Why it was good always? What happened to my ear? So it was quite good all the time. I hope. What happened with ear? Xena is actually super big. Where we were, I guess. Oh, what was that? What was that? No. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. We're gonna be back to it. Aries. Push notifications. A while back, it was last year. Same. Squeeze. I didn't configure any shortcuts for my stream. It was last year that I pierced my eardrum. Yeah, it's true, but no, it's all good. Okay, this is ready. I'm selecting the time. 9, not 9. Cancel. 20. Oh, it's my cat's food. Now she's gonna run like a horse. You're gonna listen. No, she was already sitting next to it and waiting. So 21, 27. Okay. Good. We are going back and we actually can go to settings and we can look into Swiss and Newbit. How are you? It's all good with you? How are things are going? So let's go to, where is our apps? Oh, yeah. Not network, click too much apps. And it should be this one. Notifications. That's what we good about. So this is what probably I need to set up, right? I'm pretty much sure about this. Okay. Because there's alarms, different stuff. Trying again. 21, 28. All right, back here. So now we're gonna check if it's gonna work. And then I would need to allow somehow to trigger it from settings, the permission for it. So, yes, we got, where is it? Come on. Horoscope reminder, let's make it bigger. I managed to do it. I found it was just a permission, which happened a lot of times. Today is amazing day in Zodiac. Sign selected. In the app. No, I cannot be so bad. Didn't understand me. Okay, now we're gonna polish this. Gonna make it better. So, great. So the problem was that I did not set up the permissions as on for the reminders and alarms for my app in settings. Can you please make so once the user install the app for the first time, we are asking to give us the permissions for alarms and reminders, and also that if user click allow, we redirect him to the settings of the it's all caps of the app where he can toggle it on. We will start from this and then we will continue with push notification description. What about our oh wow, what ChatGPT went crazy. Okay, I believe ChatGPT is going to generate all 12 icons for me. I'm gonna switch and not use my art. This is Aries, Taurus. Guess it's Virgo. Just gonna keep silence. It decided to do something by itself. Let's let him do it. I'm gonna let him to do it. Okay, this one is thinking. What a life. Easy. Okay. I guess it's almost ready. Now that we'll practically ask. Let's go. We're gonna need, okay, before, let's see if at least this push notification managed to open it. Perfect. Well, push notification, so reminder. So now I'm gonna uninstall it. Gonna run it again. There was this error that was bugging me. I don't understand it. This one, that one. So let's run again and we will see. We will see. So what is this? Is it Gemini? Amazing. What can I say more? Amazing, but I like this kind of stuff. Copy image. Generate now all 12 zodiac sign representing in illustration its corresponding planet and color in the style of attachments that I sent to you. Maybe one more. I'm gonna copy this image. Everything what I like I'm gonna give to ChatGPT. This one I don't like. This I really like. Like everything that's cute I like. This one. This one no. I'm gonna keep it this. All 12, please. Great. Working. This one we select, let's say, pieces. Allow alarms just in here to send you a daily horoscope reminders. Please allow alarms and reminders for this app in the system. Open settings. Okay, this is what we need. Go back. So push notification. So I don't need to have access to. We're gonna say don't allow. Yeah, okay. Allow. So that I established it was reminders. Okay. 21, 30. 6. I believe I'd need in push notification and reminders then 35, right? Okay. Get back, and here. All right. Great. Can you ask and alarms and push notifications right after install before user select its horoscope and if user allowed, the toggle for reminders should be automatically on. Like this, because we want to remind and bring back every day our users to the application. That's what we want, right? ChatGPT started to generate. It's interesting how it's a high, good quality, same but a bit lower, more blur. Let's see if we can generate it. All right, it's gonna be a long stuff now. It's a lot of work I requested to do. Now it's getting cold. It was like 1 degree in Barcelona or something. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable. I wanted to actually change the launcher icon. I wanted to change for which one? Oh, for this one. I don't know now. It's kind of different style. I'm struggling with this application and the style. Don't know what to do, but whatever. Let's see. This is Aries, or yeah, I hope. Nice. Okay, cursor is ready. It's ready. I'm gonna again uninstall and install. I could have done it faster, but so now we managed to do reminders and notifications. Right, let's run, and then after this we need to change the description of the notification itself. RM817, hello RM17, it's your first time, very very welcome in here. The application is actually going very, very good. We are doing a horoscope. We are, like me and artificial intelligence, and I think it's going really great. We were just doing it now it's supposed to appear a pop-up areas, but it's gonna appear here. Open settings, allow. Okay, didn't do what I want to do. Allow, next, but it's not how I wanted it to be. Let's okay, all right, can you ask for alarms and reminders for the notification before user select his zodiac sign right on the screen of the list of zodiac sign on the first install. Well, it's not that bad now, but I can try to make it better, at least. Well, push notification gonna work. I know it already, so I'm not worried about this. But I really want to make it like in the very beginning, so it's not gonna appear after to the user, or user will not even know about it, right? That there are settings with push notification. Will it be ready next month? Yeah, I actually plan to do it very, very soon. I'm already like polishing and finalizing the stuff, but I wanted to establish like push notification. And we were suffering actually today with Capricorn. Today I say that Capricorn, it was a very weird approach that I did. So for this application long time ago, I was drawing this just illustrations. It was during COVID, around that time. So like for Aries, I did like horns, right? Taurus also. Then we had a Cancer close holding a moon inside. Here it's a Leo with the tail of a Leo. There is a Libra, like with a balance, with something light and rocks. So I was, and I didn't know how to represent Capricorn. So I drew Capri and corn. like this was my idea. And then after several years I opened and I was like, what? It's a rebus. Like, I don't know if is it exists the word rebus, like it's a rompecabezas in Spanish. It's a brain rot. No, it's not brain rot, but whatever. It's just Capricorn. That was my idea. What I was thinking. But all right, let's see. On first install, when Zodiac selection list opens, before the user pick a sign, it now asks for push notification and then show alarms and reminders dialog to take the users to settings. The prompts are shown. Well, let's see. I don't believe you. I don't believe. Oh, I forgot to uninstall and I run it. Okay, let's see. And if user gonna say yes to all of the settings, we would need to mark toggle on for notifications. And by default it was 9, which is all right. No. I'm gonna uninstall. Why am I even going to settings? Shut up. Okay. Info. Maybe I will not have time. Like unpredictable, I can relate. Just because I already knew that it will not do what I want. It's just like I kind of accepted it. We're gonna finish probably soon the stream because it's been 2 hours, but in any case I will most likely proceed. Okay, it did the job. So now notification allow, open settings, yes, back. Now in settings the toggle should be on by default. Yes, okay, great. But what if I will forbid? What will happen? Let's see. I'm gonna give any permission right now. Great. How is ChatGPT generating? Amazing. What is this zodiac sign? I have no idea. It's Cancer. Cancer with Saturn. It's like crazy. It's Leo. Could I keep it? I like it. This ChatGPT craziness going on. Okay, so it's ready. It's installed. I'm gonna make them like now here. Commit the changes. I didn't give all of the permissions to cursor, but some yes. Pop. Don't allow. Not now. Areas. Let's go here. No. Yeah, it's off. I'm turn on, allow. But okay, so I see what I need to do. Now, just one little fix. In the case, if it's very badly written, but still, if I deny all the permissions after install before I select the zodiac sign and then I go to settings and click toggle on, I'm getting asked firstly about push notifications, and then I should be asked for the reminders as we do on the very first time on the zodiac list screen. But now we are not asking for this second pop-up, second permission for reminders. Can you add this there too, please? Happy accidents. Am I right? I get lost of them when using AI for stuff. Of course. Yeah, well, of course. And especially images. I'm still like, this is Leo. What is this? What is all this stuff? It's like kind of weird stuff that living by its own life. This one. All right, so actually I'm streaming already for 2 hours. We're gonna now do last fixes, last changes, and then we're gonna be like over and done. But again, I think today was a very great progress. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna create an APK, install on phone or several phones that I have. I will test it out, share here and there between all the people with Android that I know. And then I will see whether it's ready to go on Google Play or not. And maybe if I consider then yes, tomorrow I'm gonna do like final fixes. And then I will prepare screenshots and description for Google Play. And also I need to change advertisement ID, because in here you can see very clearly that advertisement is like, it's just the test advertisement. Okay, so you say that you fixed it. Let's see. Let's see if it is the case. Info. Do I have any tea? I have any tea, yes. Uninstall. And install. Let's go. I have so many different applications already. Today I didn't even check installs how much I have. Let me see. Of course, I'm not gonna share this information. All right, I'm not allowing now, and I'm not now. Then I'm select Scorpio. Just casually checking the image. It's very good. Going in here and we check in for what? Push notifications. We are clicking it on. We allowing. Open settings. Perfect. Allowing. Back. Set time. It's gonna be on 28:49. Okay. Toggle on. Back, there are slightly some bugs that I can see, but still okay. The push notification gonna arrive now, and I'm probably gonna change now the description, and I will change that. I didn't like that toggle was not marked on after I accepted the push notification. We need to change it. So horoscope reminder. How is it possible? It's so wrong description in there. So it's working great. Just please change slightly the text. Dynamically change the text instead of the, what are you gonna put here? Zodiac sign selected in the app. Zodiac sign selected in the app. Put instead the zodiac. I'm gonna write to like literally the zodiac sign name that is currently selected in the app. And what we write here: today is an amazing day. Zodiac sign Scorpio. It is actually already doing. Please delete the text of the app and make the description a bit more attractive and grammatically correct, because I don't want to do anything. I don't want to do anything. Great. Then we're gonna need to change the one toggle and we're gonna be over. We're gonna be done. Okay, so this is ready. Let's see. Okay, run again. Let's see, what do we have? Guys, I see that someone followed also on YouTube. Thank you so much. So I'm not allowing... well, actually, I could have, but whatever. Let's try to do it from settings. Push notifications, toggle on. So this is a bug that I don't like. So I'm allowing open settings. I'm allowing it. I'm going back. And I need to make it again. Okay, selecting time, 21:53. Okay, back, and I'm gonna kill the app. Well, minimize the app. And now I will check if the push notification is they're arriving properly. So what do we have here? Oops. Today is an amazing day for Taurus. Your horoscope for today is ready. Amazing. All right, great. Thank you. Commit changes. And could you please fix one little bug? If I had toggle off on the settings after not accepting the permissions of from the first install, it's a little bit messy, but still, and I go to settings, I see toggle off, and I click on the toggle to trigger the permissions pop-ups to appear, and if I allow all of the permissions, the toggle should be automatically on. Let's see if that would be understandable. I'm gonna hope so. There was some, and another change that if this is gonna work, another change that I wanted to do is just don't call it push notifications, just call it like reminders or something. And I would need to also add terms and conditions. In here, advertisement, I can put, of course, settings also should be different, font. I'm not sure what to think about all of those, but fixed sign, and it is artificial intelligence generated. This zodiac sign is fixed, and they decided to put as a symbol for it a brick wall. Okay, I don't know. All right, but I think in general, application is quite in a good place, in a good state. Now do we have something in here? Thinking. We're thinking. What are you thinking about? Let me check. How long I stream? 2 hours, 10 minutes. All right. Yes, this one lives its own life. I'm gonna let him. This is probably Capricorn, or no, it's a Scorpio with Venus planet. Who cares? Right, planning next move. Probably it's already done. Just let's see. The most important part that we committed all the previous changes. So if now everything is gonna go super wrong, we don't care. We're gonna just roll back. Okay, so if you fixed, let's see. No, I didn't. info, uninstall, okay. And run. Let's go. It's quite beautiful. Ah, it's done. Network lost. How is it possible? This is quite kind of cool with those earrings. Very nice. Anyway, let's see if it's gonna work. The build is successful. Don't allow. Not now. It's gonna be Scorpio again. Push notifications. Okay, I'm allowing now. How is it possible that it's not asking? No. Revert back. This changes to the last commit. Very bad. Really very bad. So anyway, I will not fix it now because it's like really not that much important. And well, I can make. I can do it myself, but I don't want to. Can you change the name of push notification button in settings to reminders? It's gonna change, and then we will see how we can fix this issue tomorrow, probably. This is very upsetting. Also, well, I need to test it because probably the setting stuff gonna be different in different devices. All right, done. Let's just try. We will uninstall last time for today, last test. It's 9:59, and then we're gonna finish our stream. But I did a huge progress today, so I'm quite happy with this. Okay, running 2 hours 14 minutes. Feel like I could stay for 4 hours, 5, 7 and more. Are you satisfied with the pay-as-you-go system? It's quite expensive for me since I do wipe coding daily. I am not satisfied with any system where I need to pay. It's like, I'm not. I think it should be free. Where in Dubai, everybody has access and it's free. So, just felt a weird noise. Don't know what is this weird noise. Okay, I don't allow. Not now. Areas. We go here. Settings, come on. Reminders, fixed. Now, push notification. Allowed, open settings. Allow, back. This is the bug that I want to fix. Select time. It's gonna be 22:01. Okay. We are going back. We are killing the app. And let's wait 1 minute. It should arrive. I am living in Turkey, so it's hard for me. Just yesterday I remembered this merhaba stuff. Also, I am a student. Well, I think for students, if you study like IT or development, I guess it should be from government. Like really, that's my opinion. I cannot be happy with any system where I need to pay. It's just not working like this. Like people should not pay. Oh, push notification arrived. Maybe tomorrow I also need to work on the icon or logo for I'm Ukrainian, so I called Zirka, my horoscope application, Zirka Daily Horoscope, because Zirka it's a star in Ukrainian, so it could be like Zirka. I don't know. Today is an amazing day for Aries. Your horoscope for today is ready. I click and it's ready. I can have it. All right. So for now, I need to stop. I quite agree with you. Yeah, I agree with you. But it's true. I think in Dubai, it was like already just free for everyone. So it's not good. For everybody, Yusuf, I'm streaming always on Twitch and YouTube simultaneously. So for everybody on Twitch, I need to rate you. We have 7 people watching. So I'm gonna go to. Do I have here stream settings? Yeah, stream summary, I guess, right? And I will find someone to whom I can rate you. No, it was stream manager. So I gonna rate the channel to C#. Oh my god, interesting stuff. Making game assets, working on Neon Midway socials today. No, this is no. I'm not, okay. Indie dev, making a game jam. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to rate you to dev value. 4 viewers. No, let me. Programando en Python, Java. Productividad. Do I have more Spanish people or appreciate the stream? I appreciate everyone who is watching. Now I have 9 viewers. Oh my god. So 9 viewers, people who just joined, I'm gonna rate you because I need to go. It's more than 2 hours already. So I'm gonna making a game. Let's rate you there. I don't know who is this. I cannot see, but thank you a lot for joining the stream. I'm sending you kisses, wishes, and we're gonna see most likely each other tomorrow. And we will continue polishing the stuff. So see you. Bye, 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 bye. Thank you for joining. Oops, I cannot press the button. Now I can. Okay, right now. And for everyone on YouTube, it's pretty much the same. I cannot rate you anywhere, so I just basically will say to you goodbye. Big thanks to everyone who joined, who watched, and supporting. So thank you so much, and big good luck to everyone. I'm finishing the stream. See you tomorrow. See you. Bye bye.